For over 100 years, the United States of America has been in a kind of financial tyranny. And I know people go, what are you talking about, Mike? And it really is appropriate to talk about this because of what Mr. Mufara is doing and how that's going to affect your life. And I'll get to that in just a second. But I want to start with just a little history. Really, all of this started in 1913 with the institution of the Federal Reserve. There were 24 senators that tried to stop the development of the Federal Reserve, and they lost. And when they lost, basically what all of them said, the bankers won. And they predicted everything that would happen from 1913 to the present day to a T. This is something the founding fathers did not want to happen, a central banking system. And basically what happened with the Federal Reserve is the United States government gave them the authority to coin money. The Treasury no longer would do it. And when you do that, that gave the authority to the bankers to really manipulate the economy. And they've become very, very good at it. If we look over history, if we look at the Roaring '20s and then the Depressions, then we go to 2000, 2008, the ups and downs of the economy, they have been engineered by the financial people that run the banks. And basically their goal is to take money from the productive class of society, those people that actually develop something real, and transfer that wealth to the financial class. That's what it's all about. That's what the Federal Reserve does. That's what the bankers do. That's what the bankers do. Our founding fathers had a phrase that said, "We are endowed by our Creator certain unalienable rights, and of those rights are life, liberty, and the pursuit of property." Not happiness, property. Why that's so important to understand, it is capitalism. It is coming in. It is owning property, having your own castle, being your own king and queen, and having something that the federal government can't take away from you. Property, owning property. And obviously I talked about property tax and bonds, property fraud, bond fraud. That's going on today. Again, it gives the financial class the ability to take what you have away from you. We don't want that to happen. So why is all this relevant to what Mr. Mufara is doing? Mr. Mufara and his vision is to come in and give you the ability, give you a way forward to actually develop an income. And I believe over time build wealth. Now, I haven't seen what Mr. Mufara is going to be introducing to us, so I can't comment on what it's going to look like or what it's going to do. I think that'll come in time. But the goal is to give you the ability to bring abundance into your life and in time wealth into your life. That's what Mr. Mufara is doing today. He's giving you a way forward. What it looks like, we're going to see. He's going to come out and tell us about that. Hopefully sooner rather than later. But if that happens, with the financial tyranny that's been developed over the last 100 years, you want a way to actually be able to secure your wealth, asset protection. And really that's what this video is about today. I believe Mr. Mufara is going to do a terrific job. I believe the product's going to be out of this world. I believe there'll be a way forward so each and every one of us can develop an income. How far we can take it, I don't know yet, but we'll know that soon enough. When that happens and you can actually start developing an income and bringing in abundance to your family, how do you keep it? It's really, really important to understand there are ways out there where these people that are trying to get their hands in your pocket can't do it. And there's more than one way, guys, but I'll talk about one initially. And I won't tell who the people are, but there were a couple of brothers, they're billionaires. And one of the brothers died. And all the government could find in his personal account was an old beat-up pickup truck. I don't know if it was a Ford or Chevy, probably a Ford, and $500. That's all they could find. This individual was a billionaire. Well, he used the technique that the rich have been using for well over 100 years to protect their assets, to make sure nobody could come in and take their assets away from them, and to be able to leave a legacy to their family. And the concept is very, very simple. You come in and you own nothing. And I know people, well, I'm not going to give my wealth away. I don't want to own nothing. But here's the caveat. You own nothing, but you control everything. Now, this is one way of securing your assets and protecting them. There are other ways, but I love this way because the rich have been doing this for over 150 years. They understand what's going on. They understand that it's legal. They understand how it works. And they know that Congress, the United States, and around the world will never get rid of this vehicle to secure your assets. Why? Because the rich use it. And the rich actually control the levers of power. You think Congress doesn't listen to those people that donate to their campaigns? Oh yeah, they listen to them. And the rich use this technique to secure their wealth and protect their asset protections. As we move forward, Mr. Mufara is going to come out and he's going to explain exactly how this new vehicle is going to work. I do not believe you're going to be disappointed. In fact, I know that people are going to be giddy as to what Mr. Mufara is doing. Not only the business, but the products, how good the products are, how to market the products, how all of this is going to affect your life in a very, very positive way, I believe, bringing in abundance. When that happens, you will need a way to protect those assets. Now, I've shared this with a few people, and I've had a couple of people come back to me and say, so Mike, you're starting a new business. You're going to go into this protection asset business. And my response to them is, no, I am with Mr. Mufara. When the business comes out, I'm in at 110%. Anything I share online that gives you the ability to protect the assets that will be coming into you will be free. I will not make a dime off of any of this. This is specifically for you. I'm not going to get into the specifics of asset protection today. Just understand the concept. You own nothing, but you control everything. It is so dynamic. It is so sweet. You're going to love it. But when I give the facts about this or give you direction where you can find out about this, it's free. I won't make a dime. I don't want to make a dime off of any of this. This is just, I want you to be successful. And when you are successful, I want you to be able to protect all the things you brought in for yourself and your family, your community, whoever else you want to give money to. So I wanted to come on, just give a quick scenario of the history of what's going on, the financial tyranny that they're in. Is there a way out? Yes, there is. Mr. Mufara, he's coming out with phase 2, honest, clean, and ethical. And once that happens, you understand it, you take advantage of it, you do the things necessary to do to actually bring in income. There is a way to protect that income. That's what this whole video is about. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm not going to talk about asset protection right now. When it's time, I will talk about, I'll give you direction. There are more than one ways to protect assets. There really are. Will I talk about the other ones? Yeah, a little bit. But for most people, it's owning nothing, controlling everything. I just think it is so dynamic. When you see it, you're just going to, yeah, that's really, really cool. And again, the wealthy of the wealthiest of this country and the world have used this technique to protect their assets. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick little video. We're getting very, very close. When Mr. Mufara comes out, I'm going to have a heck of a lot to say, at least what he'll let me say. And from there, we're just going to move forward. We are going to be a steamroller, I believe, this year, 2026, year of our Lord. I just think it's going to be a great year. If you don't have the energy yet, get it. There are so many neat things that we're going to be talking about and you're going to be able to participate in. This is just a really, really cool time to be alive and doing what we're doing. And from there, we'll absolutely see everybody at the top. have a great week, and yeah, we'll chat later. See ya. Bye.